Okay, work song. Once again, we're not going to play from up here because if you do, you've got to skip. And it just gets too tricky. So I'm going to have you play this up here. So starting on the 8th fret, here is F. And here's A flat. So those are your first two notes. So you've got F and A flat. Remember the rule of threes. There's an A flat, 4th fret. And remember, go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. And there you have another A flat. So we're going to start here on F. So you have F, F, A flat, B flat, because there's a B flat, there's a B flat, F, and then go up here to C on the 5th fret, and then when you come back to B flat, you've got to use your pinky, and then you go back, so here's your first riff, F, F, so you're just using these. And then you go up to C. So get that done first. And then the next two measures. So F, F, B flat, or F, F, A flat, B flat, F, F, E flat, F. First line is okay, next line, line 2. F, F, A flat, B flat, C. Same as the first two measures. And then the next two measures, you stay on C here, and you go up to high E flat, and then you go up to high E, which is on up here. So it's on the 9th fret. So you have C, C, E flat, C, E, go back to C, B flat, so there's the first two lines is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Stay on C, high E. Then the third line, you have that high F. So I'm going to go up with my ring finger to high F here, which is the 10th fret. And here's E flat, so just go down with your index. And then with your ring finger, you're going to go up to the next, to the 9th fret. And then to A flat. So go up. And then the next section, go up to C. So here's the third line, starting there. C, back to F, up to B flat. Oh, I played that wrong. It's F, B flat. It's backwards. F, B flat, and you go up to B. So you just slide up. And then you go to B, back down. So the whole song, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's work song. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.